don't get gutters on your house and you have the stucco on here, over time the wood will start rotting on the bottom, because on the bottom of the stucco you're supposed to have a little vent area where water leaks down through your stucco. It gets in through the pores, and you know where the valleys come down in the corners sometimes. Well, the water gets in there and it needs a place to go, so it's left open on the bottom. And what ends up happening is, if you don't have gutters, the water splashes down on the concrete or on the ground here, and it splashes up underneath the stucco, and it gets your stucco on the bottom rotten. As you can see right here, it's starting to rot. It's pretty solid on the top, but the best way to fix this here would be to just cut the stucco, you know, as far up as you think the rot is. If you cut up 12 inches and you see there's more rot, then you cut up another 12 inches until you find the end of the rot. And it's very important to remove this, otherwise you're going to end up with some rotten framing. And luckily we caught it before it started doing that here. You can see the frame is still solid, so we're good to go on that. And you know, you always want to remove the rot before it makes more problems for you. And that's it for today.